Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make characters in Yomi Hustle. To begin, navigate to the main menu and select the Character Editor option. This is your gateway to crafting unique fighters. You can either modify an existing character as a starting point or choose to build one entirely from scratch. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your custom combatant, allowing you to unleash your creativity and design a truly original fighter for the arena. Next, let's dive into your character's appearance and core statistics. You can personalize their look with a wide array of colors, outfits, and accessories, making them visually distinct. More importantly, you'll set their fundamental stats, such as their total health points, attack strength, and defensive capabilities. For instance, you might give them 1,000 health or 100 attack power. These numbers are vital, as they determine how your character will perform and endure in every single fight. Now, let's focus on the heart of your character, their moves and abilities. You'll be able to design a comprehensive set of attacks, ranging from quick jabs to devastating special moves. Consider giving them a move that deals 50 damage or one that costs 20 energy. Furthermore, you can assign unique abilities that provide strategic advantages, like a temporary shield or a speed boost. Carefully crafting these elements ensures your character has a cohesive and effective combat style. Finally, it's time to put your creation to the test. Utilize the practice mode to thoroughly evaluate your character's performance, ensuring their moves feel right and their stats are balanced. You might find that a move needs to be faster by 1 frame, or an ability needs a cooldown of 3 seconds. After making any necessary adjustments, save your masterpiece. You can then share your unique fighter with the community, showcasing your design skills and enjoying countless battles with your custom Yomi Hustle character.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.